He's enjoying his monkeys and his swing this morning. He's smiling at him. That's right. There's also a very handsome boy in the mirror up there. Maybe he's smiling at him. Hello. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Hey. What you thinking? What you thinking? Oh, you're thinking about a sneeze. The many expressions of Christopher Alexander. So expressive. Are you gonna just make faces or are you gonna talk to me? Are you gonna talk to me? No. Strong and silent type. Well, you've had breakfast, but I haven't. Can I go do that? I think I've been dismissed.